Alright guys, we're back with another one. Saturday morning, we just got it dropped off. GMC Sierra crew cab. This thing's clean, it kind of looks like mine, just a little newer. Double sunroofs, 2-button kit with the black suede. Let's check it out. This thing's badass. We're gonna be going with doubles. It's got the black leather already. Typical kind of tannish. Alright guys, this one's gonna be a good one. You guys know the process already. We'll start by stripping the whole inside, getting our measurements, and going from there. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, this is what we got going on right now. We got both sunroofs in. Everything is bolted down. I'm wiring it up now to the fuse box. Here's just a little overlook of what it looks like, double sunroofs. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, here's some more update. Got the sunroofs installed. Double sunroofs. It's looking good. So right now I got the headliner already cut out for the doubles. I'm gonna go ahead and prep it, get it ready for black suede he wants to go with. Go with this black suede. It's gonna look real good. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it out, prep this, and once it's all wrapped and ready to be installed on the truck, I will kick you back on so you can check it out. Alright, headliner's all done. It's been wrapped in suede. I still just gotta do my cutouts here for the sunroofs, but I'll do those in the truck. Everything is ready to go. I got all my loose material right here, so I can go ahead and cut this here and then tuck that into the sunroof. Give it a nice clean OEM look. So that's what we're looking at right now. She's looking good. I'm gonna install it, get everything 100%, then I'll get some video of it all complete. Alright. Alright guys, we're back. Everything has been installed 100%. That suede came out good. Everything is functional. This truck came out badass. Let's check it out. Guys, that's gonna be a wrap. Another one done. Double sunroofs, all the way from Midland, Texas. This thing came out badass. I like the way it came out. And with that black suede, cherry. All right, guys, we got more installs coming. We got a Dodge Ram coming. I believe, I'm not sure, it's from Colorado. We have another one from Texas, and another one from Oklahoma. So stay tuned. We got all those videos rolling in. This thing's badass. It's a badass truck. I wish mine came with the black leather interior. But that's gonna be a wrap. I'll get some footage of it when it's rolling out. Alright guys, peace.